All right, today we're going to bring some torches, and these are for outdoors. There's 4 screws that you got to remember to screw down to your actual cement, your wall, your wood, pretty much anywhere. Now, you don't have to worry about ever charging them. They do have solar panel. They have 2 modes. They have flames and they have regular lights. The switch is on the side. You got off, on, and then flames. Flames is the last one on the back. Now, they won't activate because they have day to night mode. That means when it's nighttime, they're going to activate. And they have a little dimming, if you guys can see that. It's more a little flash, like a fire. And then, of course, you remove it because we're daylight. It's going to save you some power. We're going to turn it on. And on, it just stays on. That's pretty much it. Night to day mode. We're going to set these up in our front yard. Let's put it together and see how it looks outdoors.
Check this out, guys. Look at the actual lights outdoors. I set up the actual torches. I'm going to show you one close by here. You guys can see that. Solar panel. Beautiful outdoor lights, if you guys can see, go all the way over there. If you set them up, you don't have to worry about powering them up. They automatically have solar. So if you're looking for outdoor lights for your walls or your fans, this is perfect. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Starts all the way from here, this entrance, all the way over there. Beautiful ambiance to your outdoor fencing. If you guys are looking for something like that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.